If you've never competed before, it drills in those basics. The other thing that they got was a lot of one-on-one. I like to stress that the instructors get their hands on the students, they get moved, they get shifted. It's very hard to verbally tell somebody who's already under stress, you know, move right, move left, because they're going to move the opposite because they want to try and do well.
Always at the turn like that?
You have to square it off because they can't see your backs. There we go. Now you bring them out. Good.
There you go. The people that we're working today, we're all pros, and we've seen it. We've seen the good, the bad, the ugly, and being able to get one-on-one with the students, I think is probably the best thing they could have got from it.